Oh, I thought you were like 10 miles away. Yeah.
Fuck you, bitch. You just ruined my video. Now we gotta find Kyle, because yeah, he wanted to escape in the wild and fly like a... Oh my god! What the fuck? I didn't get his face. Do it again.
I don't think we can do it again.
You could.
Because that was natural.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
Ah! He ruined my fucking video. He's gay.
Freddy got fingered?
I've heard of it. Freddy got fingered.
Yeah. Yeah. You doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh,
As much as I could do it. What the?
So where are we, honey?
I don't know. We're walking on a trail. That's all I fucking know.
We're in France.
Oh yeah, we're in France trying to find our way to Greece. We're getting lost like a lot.
Africa. The only place in Africa that you'll ever see snow.
Africa.
See, there's this weird thing. White people live here.
Yeah, what does that mean? Overlook. Yeah, overlook this dick.
Okay, that's pretty racist.
No, that was pretty racist. That was bad. I'm sorry.
Overlook this dick.
Snow and shit. My bad. All right, guys.
Cause you know I'm all about these nuts. These nuts.
I know there's freaking
no trouble.
people from Britain there and shit. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Didn't mean that. Comment. Exclude that.
Jobs right here in this area. What the fuck?
Because you can see the ducks and geese from back here, but I can't see you. But
All I see is ice again.
but all the ducks have migrated, so they're not here right now. But there's some geese.
I got freaking congested.
You know, that's a pretty concerning sign when the geese are still here in the middle of January, or almost end of January. Because they should definitely have been out of here by like October.
He just got raped by fucking a pine cone. I was gonna say acorn. What the fuck?
Jimmy's peeping in the girls' locker room.
Time to jump on him. I can hear
Wait,
it.
what the fuck?
That's the like that's monster out there.
Boo! Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. He's allergic to his phone and me. And technically all those pictures that were randomly being taken. Yeah, it was spazzing out, so I guess he got allergic by that reaction. Yeah, my phone's done that before. Stupid.
I can make this look very suggestive.
Jeez. Look, he's fucking his folder.